Welcome. If you want to stay on top of your LinkedIn conversations and never miss a message reminder, enabling email notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on email notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn using your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your preferences. On the left side of the settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section controls how and where you receive updates about your LinkedIn activity. Now, scroll through the notification options until you see Messaging. Click on it to expand the messaging notification settings. Within the messaging section, locate message reminders. This is the feature that nudges you to reply to important messages you may have missed. To ensure you get these reminders by email, look for the option to enable email notifications. Simply toggle the switch or check the box next to email. Once enabled, LinkedIn will send you email reminders for messages that need your attention. That's it. You've now set up email notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn. With this feature turned on, you'll get timely prompts in your inbox, helping you stay responsive and engaged with your professional network. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just follow these steps again and toggle email notifications on or off as needed. Staying connected has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your inbox for those important LinkedIn message reminders.